Car hesitation happens when your vehicle struggles to accelerate properly. Fortunately, addressing the root cause of the hesitation can restore your car's performance, ensuring a smoother driving experience. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, causing poor acceleration and hesitation. Remove the air filter and check it for dirt, dust, or clogging. Replace if it is dark or filled with debris. To replace the air filter, first locate the air filter box. It is held by a few clips or screws. Open them, remove the cover, and take out the old filter. Place the new filter in the same position, then reattach the cover and secure all clips and screws. Clogged fuel injectors can prevent the engine from receiving the right amount of fuel, resulting in hesitation. Add a fuel system cleaner to your gas tank to dissolve deposits and restore proper injector flow. This helps the engine run smoothly and reduces hesitation when accelerating. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner helps clean your car's fuel system, reducing problems like rough idling, hesitation, and spark plug problems. It also improves engine startup in cold weather and improves overall vehicle performance. A faulty throttle position sensor can send wrong signals, causing the engine to hesitate or jerk during acceleration. To check, start the engine and carefully unplug the throttle position sensor. If the hesitation stops, the sensor may be faulty and should be replaced. To replace the throttle position sensor, first remove the throttle body cover by unscrewing the bolts. Then, loosen and remove the bolts holding the throttle body in place. Disconnect all clamps, hoses, and tubes connected to the throttle body, and carefully take it off. Next, remove the small intake box to get clear access to the sensor. Locate the throttle position sensor, unscrew it, and carefully remove the faulty sensor. Install the new throttle position sensor, making sure it is properly aligned, and screw it securely into place. Once done, reattach the intake box, reinstall the throttle body, and reconnect all clamps, tubes, and bolts. Tighten everything properly to ensure a secure fit. This process helps fix hesitation caused by a faulty throttle position sensor and restores smooth acceleration. A dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor can cause hesitation by providing incorrect readings to the engine control unit, which affects the air-fuel mixture. To fix it, clean the MAF sensor using a special cleaner, or replace it if it is damaged. To clean or replace a mass airflow sensor, first, locate the sensor. Gently remove any wires and fasteners holding the sensor in place, and then lift it off. Grab a MAF sensor cleaner, and insert the straw into the can. Carefully spray the cleaner on the sensor, ensuring that it is completely dry before reinstalling it. If your car has a wire MAF sensor, cleaning is similar, just follows the same process. Once dry, place the sensor back in position, reinstall the fasteners, and reconnect the wiring. This will help restore proper airflow and improve your car's performance. By diagnosing and fixing common problems, you will eliminate hesitation and restore your car's optimal performance. If the problem persists, it is best to visit a mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair.